Cash amount is how much? Cash is 48,000. Next is subscriptions outstanding. Subscriptions outstanding. Outstanding is for the previous year is 2014 to 15. The subscription outstanding is 19,200. 19,200. Next is rent outstanding. Rent outstanding is 2014 to 15. This rent outstanding is 4,800. Standing is 4,800. Next, buildings. Buildings value is 4,80,000. Buildings value is 4,80,000. Next, books. Books is 3,20,000. Books is 3,20,000. Next, furniture. Furniture value is 32,000. Furniture value is 32,000. Investments. Investments is 3,20,000. These are the opening balances of the assets. Next, see the liabilities are so the problem liabilities are given in the form of an advertising. Next is advertising is 1,600. Next is salaries outstanding. Salaries outstanding is 3,200. So these two are the total of the liability side. Now we will find out the balancing figure. That balancing figure is known as a capital fund. How we get the capital? Accounting equation is what? Assets is equals to capital plus liabilities. What we'll find? We'll find the capital. So how we get the capital? Assets minus liabilities is equals to capital. So here total of the assets is how much? Is total of the assets is 12 lakhs 24,000 minus 1600 minus 3200 is balancing figure is 12 lakhs 19,200. Okay, this is the balancing figure. Balancing figure is 12 lakhs 19,200. So it is a capital fund. Capital fund balancing figure. Total is 12 lakhs 24,000 and 12 lakhs 24,000. Okay, this is the opening balance. Next we'll find the closing balance sheet. Hanuman Sports Club, balance sheet, balance sheet as on 31st March 2016. Balance sheet as on 31st March 2016. Balance sheet as on 31st March 2016. Liabilities, amount, assets, liabilities, amount, assets, amount. Okay. Now here we'll take these assets and liabilities values at the end of the year. Okay, so in the beginning of the balance sheet we'll take the opening balances, and whenever we'll prepare this balance sheet we'll take the closing values. Okay, so the closing values are will come. Okay, under this here we'll take the depreciations and any additions and outstandings. For on the capital fund we added any surplus is getting, or if any deficit is getting, that will be deducted, and any outstanding expenses, okay, any interest received in advance, like that they will be taken here. Okay, next first it will be taken as any buildings. How much is the building's value? Building's value is 4,80,000. Building's value is 4,80,000 less depreciation. It will be there. Where it is there? In on the income and expenditure side, on the expenditure. Okay, depreciation on buildings. Depreciation on buildings amount is rupees 24,000. How much is getting is 4,56,000 is the value of buildings. Next is furniture. Furniture. This furniture value is 32,000. If anything is not given closing balances, it will be taken as a opening balances. Furniture is 32,000. Next is books. How much is the value of books? 3,20,000. And on the payment side, books purchased is 32,000. Total of the books value is 3,52,000. Books value is 3,20,000. Add addition is what? Books purchased. Books purchased amount is 32,000. Total is 3,52,000. Okay, 3,52,000 is a books purchase. Next is investments. Investments value is 3,20,000. Investment value is 3,20,000. So here cash in hand. This cash in hand will be taken as an closing balances that will be given on the payment side now. Cash in hand. How much is their cash in hand is 1,39,200. Next is subscriptions outstanding. Subscriptions outstanding. Subscriptions outstanding is 1,53,600 less minus 1,37,600. 1,37,600. How much is getting? Is 1,53,600 minus 1,37,600 is 16,000. Next on the liability side, capital fund. How much is the capital fund on the opening balance sheet? Is 12,19,200. 12,19,200. For this, is getting surplus or deficit in income and expenditure account? excess of income over expenditure means surplus. If surplus is getting, it will be added to the capital fund. Add surplus. Surplus amount is 64,000. Three, 6, 7, 8, 12. Okay, how much is getting? 12,83,200. This is the total of capital fund amount is 12,83,200. Next is salaries outstanding. Salaries outstanding. How much is the actual salary is? 57,600. Under that payment is 48,000 and 3,200 is the outstanding. 57,600 minus 48,000 plus 3,200 is 12,800. Next is tent hire outstanding. Tent hire outstanding. Tent hire outstanding is 6,400. Next is donation for specific fund. Donation for specific fund is 9,600. Next is interest received in advance. Interest received in advance. Interest received in advance. Actual interest value is, on the receipt side is 16,000 minus interest value is 12,800. 3,200. Anything is remaining? Nothing. Now we'll do the total. Okay. Whenever receipts and payment account, income and expenditure account, these two are given in question, then we have to compare the values with the receipt side of receipts and payments account and expenditure side of income and expenditure account. Once we will compare with the receipt side of receipts and payments account and income side of income and expenditures account. And next we will compare with the payment side of receipts and payments account, and next we will compare with the expenditure side of income and expenditure account. Okay, now do the total of these. Total of the balance sheet is first do the total of asset side. Next we'll do the total of liability side. Total of the two sides is liabilities and asset side is 13 lakhs 15,200 and asset side is 13 lakhs 15,200. Okay, this is a problem under this when receipts and payment account with income and expenditure account is given. This is a problem. And next method is where preparation of receipts and payments account preparation of receipts and payments account from income and expenditure account. Preparation of receipts and payments account from the income and expenditure account. Sometimes income and expenditure may be given along with its accompanying information, and it is required to prepare receipts and payments account. It is required to prepare receipts and payments account, balance sheet at the beginning and at the end. So okay, whenever we'll prepare these receipts and payments account from the income and expenditure account, we'll prepare the first receipts and payments account. After that, preparing these receipts and payments account, next is we'll prepare the balance sheet at the beginning and balance sheet at the end of the year. Okay, so procedure is there for find out this. Under that, first step 1 is all receipts of cash, whether capital or revenue, or relating to the current year or succeeding year or preceding years, should be shown on the debit side of the receipts and payments account. Okay, any receipts are there, whatever it is, whether it is a capital or it is a revenue, whatever it is, all cash receipts are shown on the debit side of the receipts and payments account. Next, step 2 is all payments of cash and expenditure, whether capital or revenue, that are relating to the current year or succeeding year or preceding period, should be shown on the credit side of the receipts and payments account. Okay, any payments are there, that will be capital expenditure or a revenue expenditure, that will be shown under the credit side of the receipts and payments account. Next is opening and closing balance of receipts and payments account. Next is opening and closing balance of receipts and payments account refers to the opening cash and closing cash should be taken into the consideration. Next is any purchase of assets, any sale of assets that can be ascertained by comparing to the net value of the assets on the two dates, that is beginning of the year and end of the year. Next is eliminate all adjustments relating to the provision for doubtful debts or depreciation which were made for preparing this income and expenditure account. Okay, this is our class today.